In this video, I will show you how you can generate long animation videos with the help of free AI tools. But first, let me show you a quick demo of what we are going to create in this video.
Look, I'm a bird now. You're a raccoon tangled in straps. Hey, easy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Your wing, it looks like it hurts. I can fix almost anything, right?
Borrowing, not stealing. Hold still, shiny thing. Rook needs you.
Where did all this come from? Sky delivery.
Pip, I'm gonna try something.
Okay.
If it feels wrong, we stop.
We are creating a seamless animation that feels connected, consistent, and authentic from start to finish. Starting from the basic story idea to prompt generation. Then, we will take those prompts and turn them into consistent character images, the kind where your character doesn't change face, style, or look every time. And finally, we will convert these images into consistent and lip-synced animation videos with the help of a free AI video generator. Everything will be explained in detail without skipping any part, so stick around till the end. And don't skip this step-by-step tutorial. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Here in ChatGPT, I asked it to give me 3D Pixar-style animation story ideas with one character as a human, the second character as an animal, and the third character as either an animal or a bird. You can add more characters as well, but here I have fixed it to only 3 characters. And here we have a couple of story ideas in 3D Pixar animation style. All the story ideas look promising, but this one looks more interesting to try. Let's choose this one as our story. Now, I will paste the second prompt to generate a 20-scene story script. You can increase this number as per your requirements, but for the sake of this video, I will keep it at 20 scenes. Copy the story idea and paste it here. To keep the story more realistic and natural, I have added these details. After clicking on the Generate button, we have a complete story with 3 characters and their descriptions, along with a 20-scene short script. To convert these scenes into fully consistent character images and video prompts with voiceover text, I pasted this detailed prompt. You can access all these prompts from the video description. And here we have each character description in detail, including appearance, clothing, and everything else. Next, we have all the scenes converted into perfect text-to-image ready prompts while maintaining character consistency for each scene. Lastly, we have the image-to-video prompts with camera settings, scene actions, and voiceover text for each scene. So, our scenes are ready for the next step of converting this text into visuals. For image generation, I will show you a couple of free methods. The first method is QuenChat. Choose the latest Max model and select the image generation option. From the aspect ratios, I will choose the landscape option. Copy the first character prompt and paste it here. Here we have the output image. This image looks more realistic than a 3D Pixar-style image. You can also use Grok for image generation as a free option. Choose the image option and select the landscape aspect ratio. Paste the prompt text and click the Generate button. And here, we have a couple of images based on our prompt. You can choose any of them. LM Arena is also a free tool for generating images. You can watch my previous video to learn how to use it. To maintain character consistency, I will use Nano Banana Pro in Gemini. You can subscribe to a student account completely free for 1 year, but I am not going to show that in this video. Here in Gemini, I will choose the Create Image option and select Nano Banana Pro. With this Pro model selected, I will paste the first prompt. And here we have an amazing 3D Pixar-style image. The prompt is perfectly followed with realistic clothing and facial features. Now copy the second character prompt and generate the image. Again, we got a perfect character image. And here we have the image of our third character. It's up to you whether you upload these character images for each scene or go directly scene by scene using prompts. The good thing about Nano Banana Pro is that it handles character consistency perfectly without uploading reference images. So, I will copy the first scene prompt text and generate the image. And here we have the first scene image, and you can clearly see that the character matches the one generated earlier. The clothing, facial features, everything looks perfect. Let's copy the second scene prompt and paste it here for image generation. Again, we have a consistent character image for the next scene. Now let's copy the third scene prompt for image generation. And here we get a closer look at our character, and it still looks consistent with our story. To save time and effort, I have already generated all 20 scene images, and you can see how perfectly the character consistency is maintained. Now let's move on to video generation. As a free option, let's check the QuenChat model first. Choose the video generation option. Upload the first scene image. Copy and paste the prompt text for video generation. And here we have the output from this model.
Come on, just fly for once. I can fix almost anything, right?
Apart from the quality, there are a few minor issues with the video. For smoother and better video generation, Grok is a perfect free option with more video generation capabilities. At the bottom, choose the video option and make sure the landscape aspect ratio is selected. Upload the first scene image. Paste the prompt text and click the Generate button.
I can fix almost anything, right?
And here we have an amazing result from this free video generator. The voiceover is perfectly lip-synced and the animation looks flawless. Now upload the second scene image. Copy the video prompt text and paste it here.
Hey, easy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Your wing, it looks like it hurts.
Again, we get an amazing result. The scene animation and voiceover are perfectly matched. Let's test the third scene with a closer-up image.
Okay, I'll stay back. We can just breathe.
And once again, we get a consistent result that fits our story. By following this same procedure, I generated all the scene videos using this free tool in HD quality. After combining all the clips in an editing software, here is the final result.
I can fix almost anything, right?
Hey, easy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Your wing, it looks like it hurts.
Okay, I'll stay back. We can just breathe.
Ooh, rooftop treasure. But that bird, that's not treasure. That's trouble.
See? Just crumbs.
This box is your home. For now. Good night, Pip.
Borrowing, not stealing. Hold still, shiny thing. Rook needs you. Where did all this come from? Sky delivery. Look, I'm a bird now.
You're a raccoon tangled in straps.
If I draw it, can you build it? I build, you worry.
Pip, I'm gonna try something.
Okay?
If it feels wrong, we stop.
I did it! Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Again, but tighter. You're brave, Pip. One more time. Yes! 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 That's it! That's the sky face!
Look at you. Why does this feel like goodbye?
Look at you. Why does this feel like goodbye? Pip, I'm gonna try something, okay? If it feels wrong, we stop.
You can choose, Pip. He'll come back, right?
I won't keep you small to keep you close. Go. Hey, you did a good bit. It still hurts.
So, what do you think about this tutorial on generating long animation videos for free? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.